Plain and simple, if you avoid controversial topics, someone else will control your reality. If you're scared to debate those topics, someone else will debate them, make a decision, and you will be forced to live with their decision, what they've hashed out. So get ready and get in the mindset that says, yes, I will debate any topic at any time. Not, I'm too scared to debate this topic so somebody else can trap me in their reality cage. All right, let's take a look at some of these ideas that I want to really emphasize for you guys. First, once you get this idea, the first idea you need to get, people are going to sacrifice their lives for issues. There are issues that people care so much about that they are willing to die for them. And if you're willing to die for an issue, it's not that big a deal to spend 4 or 5 days figuring out the right word to use to persuade people of that issue. Yeah, that's kind of a lot to put 4 or 5 days into picking a word, but it's a less big deal than dying for an issue. So once you start to realize how much people care about those issues, how much time they're willing to put into picking out a single word, remember, these people are willing to die for the issue. They're definitely willing to put hours into picking the right word. Then you're going to start to think about the way that they write. You're going to start to realize how much effort and thought they're putting into each word. If you're willing to die for an issue, you're certainly willing to put in effort to find the right word. Once you know how much effort they're putting into the word, you'll be able to look at those words more closely and understand why they're being used. Here's the error that most people make. Most people think that the way that they think is the way that authors write. So if you think that you're just that authors are just picking out words at random, you're going to not properly analyze the word. If you think, oh, the author just picked that word because why not? You're going to miss the point. You have to realize that authors spend a lot of time choosing the right word. Sometimes authors will change a single word many, many times before they get the exact right one because they're trying to convince people of something in a particular way. Once you get that, once you deeply understand that, then you're going to be able to really understand the manipulation that's going on in these various passages. You're going to understand how authors use various techniques to persuade and manipulate, and you are going to naturally start analyzing every word more and more. What's it going to do? It's going to make you a more independent critical thinker, less vulnerable to manipulation because you won't be tricked by the words. You're going to be as sharp in analyzing the words as the authors are in picking the words, and you're going to be aware of the things that shape your reality. If you can understand how much people care about these controversial topics, you're going to understand how much they care about every word that they choose, and your brain's going to start to naturally and correctly analyze them.